Lawn Journey friends. A little snow action going on here today in Jersey. I'm a little south, so we got like 6 inches. Supposed to get another 4. I have friends in North Jersey. They got up to 2 feet already. Oops. I just noticed I lost my GoPro.
Bring the funk back.
Hey, Lawn Journey friends. Thought we'd talk about pre-emergent. It's time to put it down. If you live in Georgia, maybe if you live in Texas, all you guys, you've been on all these podcast shows, getting all excited about getting your pre-emergent app down. People up here in the north, we're sitting here in the snow. So it's not quite time. I'm actually 4 to 6 weeks away. We're having a nor'easter here today in New Jersey. It is February 1st. You guys just saw a little action with my 10-horse Craftsman blower. I installed a new drive belt and a new auger belt on it last summer. Ran well today. Snow wasn't that deep. It's like maybe 5 or 6 inches. I hope my battery's not going to run, so I'm going to be quick. It's like 5 or 6 inches deep. It got a little compacted because we had a little sleet earlier. We may, I understand, get another 4 inches tonight. Such that it is. Snowblower, great tool. I bought that a ways back as a birthday gift to save my back. And it's worth every penny. And go big or go home, right? So I have a corner property. I got my sidewalk done. But anyway, let's talk about what's going on in the lawn. So as you guys can see, I can't see my lawn. It's sleeping right now. It's nestled away. It's waiting for the sun. It's waiting for some melt. It's waiting for some soil warm up. But I'll tell you guys what I'm doing. I have already stocked my pre-emergent for the spring. I'm doing a prodiamine application granular. I'm splitting. 4 weeks after my granular app, I'll be coming back through with a liquid prodiamine sourced from Yard Mastery. I'll put the link below if anyone wants to check it out. So that's actually got delivered today. The mailman just rolled up. So I'm ready to go. I ordered a backpack sprayer. I went with the Flow Zone Typhoon 2, not the variable speed, it's the high and low. Just like everyone said online, I want a consistent application pressure, so I learn how quickly I need to walk to do 1,000-foot coverage. So we'll be checking that out on the channel this spring too. So anyway, some of the neighbors are out driving their quads around, having fun. Kids next door are playing in the snow. You warm season grass guys keep making us jealous, showing us what you guys are doing, because things are getting kicked off down there already. We'll eventually catch up with you here in the north. This is a nice snowstorm. We'll get out and have some fun. So guys, that's it. I just wanted to check in, invite you to like my video, help me get a little bit more coverage on the YouTubes. Subscribe if you haven't. I generally post once a week in season. It's basically my lawn journey. I show you guys what I'm doing, right or wrong. You guys can leave comments, give me suggestions, things to do better, things I did wrong. I'm learning. I try to teach a little bit, but I'm surely not the authority. I'm also supplementing a little bit this year on Facebook and LawnJourneys.net. I'm starting a little blog. Again, it's not like it's the Bible. I'm just sharing what I'm doing, maybe providing some more information related to my videos. So you can find me on Facebook at LawnJourneys, Instagram, LawnJourneys, and LawnJourneys.net if you're into the web and you want to read a blog. I just blog when I feel like it. That's it. Guys, I hope you're getting after it. Get out there and get it done at your house. And we'll see you this season on Lawn Journeys.
If we change it, you'll know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. It's like a family tree.